Resources eLibrary. The Formitize Resources eLibrary enables you to store and manage all of your company documents in one simple solution that can be accessed from the office or mobile app. Securely stored documents such as company policies, safety information, operating manuals, and so much more. Easily create and custom name as many folders as you need and simply upload your documents. User permissions control access to the different documents, so different people can only view documents they have access to. A big challenge with company documents is managing expiry dates and making sure only the latest versions are being used. Don't worry, you've got that covered too. If your documents have an expiry date, the Resource eLibrary will automatically monitor the expiry dates for you and notify you when documents are approaching expiry. Perfect tool for material data sheets, licenses, warranties, and registrations. In the app, simply open the folder, slide to email or print the document, or click to open and view. So powerful and yet so easy to use. Take a free trial today to see how the power of Formitize can make your document management a breeze.